Find yourself in a quiet place to sit, turn off your phones, and dim the lights. This is your time, a time for total relaxation and inner silence. You can either sit with your back straight or lie down on your back, keeping your eyes closed. And now bring your attention to your breath. The moment you breathe in, observe your stomach rising up. And the moment you breathe out, watch your stomach fall in. Inhale very, very softly. Exhale. Now, slowly moving your attention to your toes. Breathe in, relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Bring your awareness to your calf muscles. Relax the calf muscles, relax your knees, and inhale softly. Exhale gently. Relax your entire legs from the hip joints till the tip of your toes. Breathing in deeper. And now, bringing your awareness to your spine. Relax your spine. Observe your lower back relaxing the moment you breathe in and energize your spine. Exhale and release any tension, any stiffness from your back, from your spine. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, moving your awareness to your shoulder blades. Relax your shoulder blades, your elbow joints, your palms, your fingers. Breathe in and softly breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Now, move your awareness to your neck muscles. Relax your neck muscles. Release any tension which you carry around your neck muscles. Breathe in. Exhale. And now, bringing your attention, your awareness to your facial muscles. Breathe in, relaxing your eyebrows, your eyelids, nostrils, chin. Inhaling softly. Exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Now, slowly bring your awareness from the crown of the head till the tip of your toes. Very slowly, inhale as if your entire body is one breath, one vibration, and exhale very, very softly. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Now, slowly moving your awareness back to your breath. Breathing in and bringing your awareness to your breath, moving your toes, gently moving your fingertips. Breathe, moving your chin with your eyes closed from side to side. And now, either turn your body to your right side, take support of your left hand and sit up. If you're already sitting up, rub your palms together, cup your palms on your eyes, move them on your face, on your neck, on your shoulders, on your entire body, and slowly open your eyes, folding your hands in Namaste. I hope you guys enjoyed my meditation for body scanning meditation or body relaxation meditation. My name is Ronakgajjar. Thank you. Namaste.